cooking Mexican style fried rice. I can't call it Spanish rice because I'm not putting saffron in it. And you know, if you were, traditionally you get the uncooked rice and you fry it for several minutes, but I'm using already cooked rice. I had a dinner party last night and I've got about 3 cups of cooked rice that needs to be used up. So that's why I'm calling it Mexican style fried rice. This is short grain rice. In Hawaii we use short grain rice, so this is going to be it's going to be sticky, and that's how we like it here in Hawaii. If you want to use long grain rice, then that will help make it not sticky, and also especially if you fry the rice in some oil raw before cooking it. So I started with an onion chopped up with 3 cloves of garlic, and I added a little bit of Hatch green chili powder. I'm going to add just a little bit more, give this some nice heat. And normally I'll add tomato paste, but I have this left over, some creamy chipotle sauce. I tasted it, it was really good. So I'm going to add just the rest of this because we had some friends visiting and they brought this with them. And I already have a very, how do I say, a very full refrigerator. My girlfriend stayed over, house sat for us once, and as she came with her boyfriend and he opened my refrigerator and he said, "Woo, limited real estate." So yes, it's true. So I'm going to use this up so that I have a little bit more real estate. And I'm gonna, you know, I'm gonna play with it a little bit. I'll taste it in a minute and I'll show you the end results and let you know what else I added. Okay, so I added some tomatoes, a large tomato chopped up. I added about 2 tablespoons of chopped cilantro and a teaspoon of cumin. And cumin is one of those things, one of those ingredients that if you don't have, you really miss it because it adds so much depth and flavor. And so that's the spiritual message of this recipe. What one ingredient are you missing in your life that could add a whole level of depth and flavor? For me, that's laughter. I could always use more laughter. It just brings so much joy and makes my day go better. I'm gonna taste this. I don't know if you can tell, but my mouth is watering. Yummy. That is so good. I'm gonna make some fish tacos to go along with this, so look for that recipe.